Alright guys, it's Coach Day, and today's homework, I want you to look at this equation and this inequality. And I know we can solve equations just like this, but I want you to think, can you solve this inequality? Try it, go ahead and pause the video, and then after you've tried it, then I want you to check and see what we do. Alright. Now, this one on the left is just going to be like all of our two-step equations. Move your numbers on one side. So we get 6x equals 24. And then we're going to divide by this number to get rid of it. We get x is equal to 4. Now, this inequality over here, the only difference between these two, this has an equal sign and this has a greater than sign. You're actually going to solve it the same way. First, move your number to the other side. And then divide by our number with our variable. So over here we've got x equal to 4. Over here we have x is greater than 4. The big difference is this one is one solution. This tells me I have many solutions. So think about it this way. If over here the only value I had is 4, then if I was to graph a solution, there would just be a dot on 4, right? Now this says x is greater than 4. So if we think about it like that, let's say we had 4 here, let's say 5, 3. So 4. Everything greater than 4. So is 4 included as a response? No, it's not. So that would be like if we focus on 4 but it wasn't included. However, since x is greater than 4, everything greater than that is included. So this was just one solution. This is going to be every solution greater than 4. And here's how we can plug it in and check. Over here, we can plug it in, put in 4. So we got 6 times 4 plus 12, and it should equal 36. Well, 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 12 is 36. So that one checked out. Now over here, we're going to do the same thing. We just have a greater than sign. So let's pick a number that is greater than 4. Let's try 5. So when I plug it in, I've got 6 times 5 plus 12, and it should be greater than 36. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 12, and that's 42. And yes, 42 is greater than 36, so this statement is true. Now, what if we tried a number that was smaller than 4? So let's try 3. Let's plug in 3 and see what we get. So 6 times 3 plus 12, and let's see if that's still greater than 36. Well, 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 12 is only 30. And is 30 greater than 36? No, it's not. This is what we're doing tomorrow. So let's do a quick refresher on the inequality symbols and what they mean. So we have greater than, we have less than, we have greater than or equal to, and we have less than or equal to. Now all of these mean multiple solutions. The big difference is if it has this or equal to, means it could include that number. For example, if this, instead of greater than, had the symbol x is greater than or equal to 4, then we would have to include 4 as a value. So it would be all of the values greater than 4, but 4 would be included. So let's bubble that in so we can show that it's included. And then highlight all of our bigger answers. It would be the same thing if it was less than or equal to. It just means you include that point. These specifically do not include. So let's try to prove that. Remember, this is the greater than symbol. This time I'm going to plug in 4 exactly. So let's go. 6 times 4 plus 12, and let's see if that is greater than 36. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 12 is 36 exactly. So is 36 greater than 36? No, it's not. So this is not a true statement. That's why 4 does not work. All right? This is what we're doing tomorrow. Make sure to get a good refresher with this.